Hi viewers, you are welcome to Catch Up Maths class. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at the solution. We are going to find the real value solutions of the given equation. Alright, we've done something similar to this before, but nevertheless, we are still going to look at this again. Alright, so when you look at the left hand side, we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 all to the power of 4 is equals to 1. So the expression here is raised to the power of even number. And the implication of that is, okay, let's assume A is 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. So meaning that this is A to the power of 4 is equals to 1. Now for A to the power of 4 to be 1, so you only have two conditions here, okay? You only have two possible ways for you to have 1 here. So the first one is when A is equals to what? Is either A is equals to 1, that is the first case, or A to be what? The second case is when A is equals to minus 1. That is the second case. So 1 raised to the power of 4, you have 1. Minus 1 raised to the power of 4, you have 1. Why minus 1 raised to the power of 4 is 1 is that minus 1 raised to the power of even number will actually give us 1. Okay, so these are the two cases for you to have 1. So let's consider first case when A is equals to 1. So where A is what? 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 is equals to 1. So you have 3x squared plus 5x minus 8 is equals to 1. Yes, I think you can factorize this. We need product of minus 24 because 3 times minus 8 will give us minus 24, then sum of 5. Alright, so using factorization method, and that you can write that as 3x squared minus 3x then plus 8x minus 8 is equals to 0. So plus 8 minus 8 will give us minus 24, and plus 8 minus 3 will give us 5. Okay, so here you factorize 3x, then you have x minus 1, and here you factorize 8, you have x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so by that we have x minus 1, 3x plus 8 is equals to 0. So for product of two factors to be 0, that means one of the factors must be 0. So that is either x is equals to 1 or x is equals to minus 8 over 3. So these are the values of x for the first condition, for the first case. Now for the second case, when a is minus 1, so you have 3x squared. So when a is minus 1, so you have 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 is equals to minus 1. So you have 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 plus 1, that is minus 6 is equals to 0. So product of minus 18 sum of 5. I don't think that can be factorized. Okay, we can't factorize that. Okay, so the only method to use here is maybe completing the square method or use of general formula. So let's make use of quadratic formula. So we compare this with ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So where a is 3, b is 5, and c is minus 6. Alright, so and recall from the quadratic formula, we have that to be x is minus b plus or minus roots b squared minus 4ac, then over what? 2a. So what we just need to do is to substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula. Okay, so that's the only thing we need to do here. So by substituting that, we have x to be minus 5 plus or minus roots 5 squared, that's 25, then minus in bracket of a is 3 and c is minus 6, then 2 multiplied by 3. So you have x to be minus 5 plus or minus roots 29, then 4 times 3, that's 12, and 12 times 6, that will give us 72, so we have plus 72. But this should be 25, then over 6. So x is minus 5 plus or minus 25 plus 72, that will give us 97, then over 6. So x is minus 5 plus roots 97 over 6, or x is what? Minus 5 minus roots 97 over 6. So the value of x, the values of x that will satisfy this equation are x is what? Minus 5 minus roots 96 over 97, sorry. This should be 97 over 6, then minus 5, then minus 8 over 3, then 1, and minus 5 plus root 97 over 6. So these are the values of x that will satisfy that given equation. Alright, so if you are just joining us for the first time, kindly click on the subscription bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release another video. Thank you.